Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with the Jotform forgot password option not working, or you're not receiving the reset email, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to regain access to your account quickly. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address. Even a small typo can stop the reset email from arriving. Next, check your spam or junk folder. Yeah, sometimes password reset emails end up there instead of your main inbox. If you don't see the email right away, wait a few minutes and try again. Email delivery can sometimes be delayed due to server traffic. Another thing you can try is switching to another browser or device. Sometimes browser issues can interfere with the reset process. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. So, old or corrupted data can sometimes block login or email requests. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, temporarily turn it off. Yeah, these tools can sometimes prevent Jotform from sending or verifying reset requests. Now go back and click Forgot Password again and request a new reset link. Sometimes the first request simply doesn't go through properly. If nothing works, contact Jotform support. They can verify your account and help you recover access safely. And that's it. One of these fixes should help you solve the Jotform forgot password problem and get back into your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.